Hi, babes!
Welcome to your new favorite show, Be Your Best Self.
Podcast.
It's your traveling host, Ru and Rai.
Why be your best self?
Well, grab your favorite drink and get cozy because this story starts with a conversation we had in the Bali.
So, it was not your typical Monday morning. Because as a full-time traveler, Rai and I decided to go on a jogging. She invited me. But there's a plot twist.
Nung niyaya ko si Ate Ru mag-jogging, sabi ko wag kami magdala ng phone. So, sinuggest niya dahil wala kaming dalang phone, edi magdala kami ng books.
Yeah, and because ang ganda nung isang book na natapos ko, I recommended na yun yung dalhin niya. So, she brought the Who Moved My Cheese and I brought the Power of Focus. So, ayun na nga, nag-jog na kami.
May nadaanan kaming karinderya siya. Tapos, sabi ko sa kanya, pagbalik namin, maglugaw kami.
Eh, di for the jog na ang mga person. O, ngayon, umulan. Diba? So, dahil umuulan, nag-ano lang kami, pahinga sa shed. Then, dun kami nagbasa ng book. And while reading the book, naisipan ko, sabi ko, kasi pabalik na kami, nagpapatila na lang kami ng ulan. So, sabi ko, why not we just go to a fancy restaurant and just order affordable drink. Like, you know, refreshments lang. So, ayun na nga. Pumunta na tayo sa junction. Sobrang ganda ng place.
Doon na kami talaga nagbasa ng book. And first time ko makabasa or makatapos ng book sa isang upuan. Kasi, syempre, nandun ka sa magandang environment, ang ganda ng music, yung ambience. So, talagang nakafocus ka, di ba? Mapapafocus ka dun sa binabasa ko. So, yun. Natapos ko yung Who Moved My Cheese.
And because gusto naming magstay doon, umuwi ako sa bahay namin para kunin yung phone. Kasi ang ganda rin namang i-document nung moment na yon. Nung nakabalik na ako sa restaurant, napaisip ako. Sabi ko, gawa na tayo ng podcast natin.
Then, doon na nag-umpisa yung Be Your Best Self podcast.
Yes. Actually, we already have our podcast na. But it's Rai's podcast, The Reality.
Yes, The Reality Podcast. You know what? Nung araw na yon, I saw something different talaga. It wasn't just about yung podcast, yung reading the book, or yung kinakain namin. It was about believing in ourselves that we deserve to be in the spaces that represent our dreams.
Yes. Kasi deserve natin yun.
Yes.
And that's what we want for all of you too, babes. Sometimes the smallest decision to believe in yourself, to put yourself in a new space, can definitely shift your world. And you know what? It wasn't the first time it happened. Remember when we went to White Flower?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yung time na sobrang iyak ako ng iyak. Tapos, kakaiyak ko, sabi niya, sige, halika, treat kita. Ayun, dinala niya ako sa White Flower.
Yeah.
Sabi ko nun kasi, kontento na ako sa buhay ko. Tapos sabi niya, kontento ka na. Nung pinakain niya ako sa White Flower, sabi niya, so kontento ka na? So napaisip ako, sabi ko, ito yung buhay na gusto ko.
Yes. I actually want my sister to also experience what I have been experiencing. Because, growing up poor, we never experienced this. Doing this is like, parang, ay, mahal naman yun, ayoko yun, next time na lang. Yun, next time mo.
The scarcity mindset.
Yeah, next time mo, wala na, hindi mo na na-experience. Kaya we challenge you all, babes, this week to treat yourself in a fancy restaurant. Kaya just drink lang. Diba? Embody being your highest self. Do something that feels a little out of your comfort zone but aligned with your dreams.
Ayan, share your experience with us on Instagram at Be Your Best Self Podcast with the hashtag Babes Moments. And we'll be featuring our favorite stories sa aming next episode.
And if you love this conversation,
hit the subscribe button and leave us a review.
Yeah. Every month, we'll be bringing you real and unfiltered stories on our journey in becoming our best selves.
And we want you right here with us. Until next time,
Keep shining, babes!